KOVAI Classic Industries make bio-waste shredder machine. Our organic waste shredders process biological and biogenic waste to generate an optimal substrate for further utilization in your biogas plant or in your disposal business. The application area ranges from green or garden waste to food waste and expired goods, including packaging, to slaughterhouse waste. This machine can be used as a coconut frond chopper. Any size of fronds can be shredded into small pieces. Biological waste shredder. This machine can shred any size of biological wastes for manufacturing organic manure. KOVAI Classic Industries is an established and well-known unit specialized in manufacturing and marketing of agricultural machineries and implements registered under SSI, Small Scale Industry, and NSIC, the National Small Industries Corporation Limited, with an experience of more than 25 years. For more details, please visit www.kovaiclassicindustries.net, www.kovaiclassicindustries.com. Contact No. T. 0422 2317456, M9345837,456, 9,344,337,456, 8,695,637,456, 9,344,637,456.